Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to open this Erin Condren box that I have right here. It is the biggest box I've ever received from Erin Condren, and I know I placed my largest order ever, which then makes sense, but I did not expect this box to be so big. I can't even show you how big this is. Like my tripod piece, but it takes over my entire desk. Like the length of it is my whole forearm, which is crazy. But anyways, this is my order from the 2019-2020 Erin Condren launch. I ordered tons of stuff. I kind of went wild. It was my 11th order, so I got to use my 10 order code. So if you're interested in signing up for rewards with Erin Condren, I will have my link down below. I believe she still gives you $10 off your first order if you use my link, and then I also get $10, so that is always in the description box. But I'm so excited. I've not opened it. It is still completely sealed. So I'm going to grab some scissors and crack on into it. So because I did have my $50 off code, I did go a little bit crazy, clearly. And I also ordered, this is the fastest an Erin Condren order has ever gotten to me. So I ordered on Monday. It's only been a week, and it is here in Canada, which is crazy. So I'm just gonna pull this box out to try and open it. Oh, I wish you guys could see. Okay, so here's the box. It is monstrous, but everything is packaged. You get the standard sticker and postcard. So sorry about the tripod leg, but that's gonna be there for a second. The newsletter, which I will have a look at, just super cool. And then all of the goodies. So I've not opened this yet. I'm super pumped to see everything for myself. I've watched a ton of YouTube videos, but it's always different doing your own. Okay, I'm gonna put this down and then get on into everything. Okay, so here's everything in a very unattractive pile that I just pulled out of the box. So I'm going to push it aside and get on into the thing we care about the most. The actual planner. I did buy 2 planners just because I'm crazy. So this year it does come in this super nice cardboard sleeve. Yes, so I got the vertical neutral. Oh, it's like this. Oh, cute, it has tissue too. The presentation is just awesome. And I couldn't find a cover that I liked. That was the new one, but it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this like gems look so nice. But, so let's lift this guy out. Oh my gosh. It's like Christmas, you guys. It's like Christmas. Okay, so this is my planner. This is the first year I've ever gotten a black coil because foil is really in, obviously, and I didn't want to get silver like I normally do because I'm kind of getting into using other color foils like gold. So I got black, and I got this really pretty watercolor design with my married last name, which is Thomas. So I'm gonna open it up, and there's all this good stuff in here. Oops. There's no pocket, if you're familiar. What are all these little like plastic bits? It's the second one. Let's see what we get in here. Okay, so we have this random little hexagon, some foil compliment cards, which are beautiful, some foiled gift tags, coupon codes. I don't know what that hexagon's for. And then just like the Erin Condren card. So there's that little freebie. Yeah, there's plastic things all over the place. Maybe it's from the cover? I'm not sure. There's the vellum. There's tons of videos on YouTube with the planners being shown. They're everywhere. So I'm not going to go into depth with it. I don't necessarily love that it's not a true neutral. It's more of a muted pastels. But I'm going to cover it with stickers. I know everyone freaked out about the layout being different. But quite honestly, I don't think Erin Condren could do very much for us not to buy her planners. She knows what we do. She's going to keep designing her company and building her brand, and we are very creative people. So my take on it was whatever Erin Condren puts out, I was going to buy, and I was just going to make my stickers work. So that is the weekly spread. I know this is a little bit different with the tabs not opening up to the months, which is cool. This is very nice. I don't typically use the notes pages, but it's the same old Erin Condren paper, layout, feel, everything. So I think this is 12 months. Yes, I only got 12 months in this planner. It's crazy that I'm looking at 2020. That's literally insane. I'm just gonna flip to the back and just have a look. So some foiled stickers in these muted colors. These are really pretty. I keep forgetting that the back of my planner last year had stickers. Just gonna grab it because I don't think I used them at all. Just to compare. Oh, I might have to take these out and actually use them. Oh, so we only got 3 sheets of foiled stickers last year. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so very similar. And then the pocket, which has foil on it. And the perpetual calendar. This is the kaleidoscope pattern is very pretty, which I don't use, but I will keep in there. Oh, and did they get rid of the barcode? Because there's no barcode. Oh no, it's still there. I don't love that they put the barcode on there. I don't know why that bugs me, but at least it's on the inside. And this ruler is very pretty. But anyways, that is my vertical neutral planner. I probably just talked about that for 5 minutes. And then, because I couldn't decide if I wanted to try this binder, I got the On-the-Go Life Planner binder. So let's crack on into this. So unfortunately, this doesn't come as nice as the regular planner in the box, but that's all right. I'm gonna take this out. So this is the 18-month. I got both, and then I got my name embossed, which is, can you see that it's not straight? My T is up higher. But this is also the vertical neutral with the neutral kaleidoscope pattern. The main reason I picked the neutral kaleidoscope was because of these. Am I gonna be able to open this? Because of the silver rings. Okay, this might. So here's the actual planner, just the contents. Add your folder and sticker sheets starting from the second hole. Okay. Okay, EC, I got this. Maybe not. So I picked it, yes, because of the silver rings. I did not want gold rings. Gold is not my thing. I did really like the pink cloth cover, but the inside of this is like this mauvey, dusty pink, which is super nice. Mine's a little bit marked up, but that is all right. And my rings look 99% perfect. So they're, if I zoom you guys in, you can see that they're completely closed, which I know there was some ring issues with some other planners, but for other people's orders, but that is that. Add your folder and sticker sheets starting from their second hole and ending from the second hole at the bottom. Okay, so let's put these in vertical neutral, and this comes with 18 months. I'm pretty pumped about trying this. I know a lot of people were not happy with this. They would much rather just be able to buy this stack of inserts and put them in their own like KPK or Filofax, or when I first saw it I was like, oh my gosh, I'm 100% buying a Louis Vuitton planner. Add your folder and sticker sheets starting from their second hole. Oh, I see. Okay. So this is still all coiled. So that is why they're saying starting from their second hole. So let's do that. So I understand, I have listened to Erin Condren speak at Go Wild, and she was saying how she wanted the coil accessories to still be working with the ring planner. I actually think this is super cool. But I would love to have an Erin Condren inserts inside a Louis Vuitton planner, which My husband's probably happy Erin Condren doesn't do, because if I had a reason to buy a Louis Vuitton planner, I would. So they turn pretty good. I might like this. I'm excited that I can take these sheets out to plan. I'm quite excited about that. I definitely think I'm going to use this. This is more of a sit on your desk planner. And I might have to take some out and put some of those plastic things to keep the pages from flat, but this is very nice. This is kind of rubbery-ish. It's very durable. It might have been nice if there was, I keep saying, sorry, the metal corners, plated corners, so it doesn't get banged up. But you guys, I think I'm in the minority, and I like it. I like it a lot. So that is my binder, 18-month vertical neutral, and this is my ring, 12-month vertical neutral. So the binder is definitely bigger by a solid 1.5 to 2 inches, but I like it a lot. So then anyways, on to accessories and other things I picked up. This was a freebie with the order, I think the launch order, the lined sticky notes, which are nice. And I have actually seen people on YouTube take the little 3M adhesive and stick it onto the inside of their binder, which is kind of a cool idea, so I might do that. So those are the sticky notes. Then the other freebie was this planner charm, which is new for Erin Condren, which I probably won't be using. And I might do a giveaway with some stuff in the future. So this just says, I'm going to take off all the packaging now. Love to plan. I think everyone got this with their early insider launch order. So it says love to plan in gold. And then the back says EC Insider. And I believe the idea is that you use the little clasp and clip it to the coil of your planner. So that is the second freebie. What else did I buy? So I also got these adhesive corner pockets, which there's only 2. They're very, very large. So they're massive. They're the size of my hand. And I think I'm definitely going to be sticking these on the inside of the binder. Like so. I can get this in frame for you. So I will peel off the 3M and I will line it up perfectly, and then I can stick other stuff in it, sticker sheets and whatnot. I think if they had a wedding planner insert, I would have loved that, because I had the Erin Condren wedding planner. I just got married in September, and if it was in binder style and I could have put things in, oh my gosh, I would have loved that. So EC, make a wedding planner binder, because brides need that. Okay, so there's the sticky pockets. I'm just literally losing my mind about everything. Okay, I also got an acrylic stand, because I think it was only $10, and I bought a stand from Hobby Lobby the last time I was in the States. Well, not the last time, maybe 2 years ago now. And I have since moved it from my planner stand into my kitchen for cookbook, because that's what it was intended for. And then when I saw the Erin Condren one, I was like 100% going to get this, because all the accessories in my office are acrylic as well. This could not be, ew, it's a little bit gross. I don't know why. And this is like taped up by a 2-year-old. All right. And I just ripped my Bristol board. All right, maybe this is not gonna work for my life planner. Interesting, interesting. Let me see. Oh yeah, well, cool. So I like that. It's actually perfect. And if I open my planner, will it work? No. Okay, so your planner has to stay closed, which is fine. So I do like that. That'll be how my planner sits on my desk when I'm not using it. So I do like this. It would have been nice if I could stand open, but this isn't wide enough, if that makes sense. I'm actually just gonna prop it up over there. Okay, and then I got some custom notepads. So this is the Daily Focus notepad. Boom. That's my name, Ashley Thomas. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. So it is just very generic, which I like. The paper is very thick, which I also like. So I thought I would put the date up here and then I could write like home, work, sticker shop, whatever random to-dos. There's this blank spot here, so I think this will be super nice. I did wish that I could customize this a little bit differently and just put Ashley and Colin or the Thomases, but I didn't like how they had like outlined this one and then made this one bold. Just looked weird to me, so I just got my name. So that also has little stickies, so I could attach this to the side of my fridge or something like that. So that was the first customized notebook I got. And then the second one was a productivity notepad, which I picked the colors for. I just got pink and gray up at the top and then an AT at the bottom, and it is dark grid. So the first page is already, maybe it's not bound good at all actually. Yeah, it's like, this page is like hanging out already, but I do feel like I'm going to use this in my office a lot, so I thought this would be good as well. I don't know the sizing of these exactly, but the productivity notepad is quite a bit smaller, and then this dot grid one is much larger. So that is everything that I got that I'm going to show you guys. I did get a few other things that I will be showing at a later date. Then I got the notepads, the pockets, just kind of clean up the garbage here, the freebies, and then 2 planners, which I guess really isn't as crazy as I thought that I went. Oh, and I got the acrylic stand. But that is really it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing what I got from Erin Condren. If you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you took advantage of the freebie offers and picked up your planner during the launch, tell me what you got down below. I'm always interested to see how many people use vertical, if you're a neutral or colorful planner, if you like the hourly or the horizontal, or if you just got plain Jane and are going to sticker out your planner just like me. Like I said, I will have my link down below so you can get $10 off your first order. And yeah, I will talk to y'all soon with another plan with me. Bye.